Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in sentiment, sitting at plus 0.62, which is well above our historical baseline. This unusual uptick suggests a shift in sentiment that you should definitely pay attention to. Coupled with a strong momentum score of plus 0.72, it indicates that the finance sector is not just optimistic, but actively gaining traction. Using our Sentiment API, you'll get a comprehensive analysis that returns sentiment scores, momentum indicators, and semantic clusters that help you understand the nuances of this shift. Imagine integrating this data into your trading algorithms to adjust your strategies in real time based on sentiment shifts. If you want to dig deeper and leverage this insight, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something impactful together.